Hey Nico, Rconway, Ganley Buick GMC in Strongsville. As promised, I just wanted to come out here and help you get a closer look at the exact 2500 that you inquired about online. Truck is about as clean as it gets. Blacked out wheel, LTZ, Duramax diesel, crew cab with the standard bed, so you still have your 6.5 foot bed without giving up the back seat space. Factory installed trailer equipment with the hitch. And to answer your question, yes, this does have the Rhino lining bed. Well done by them as always. The chrome assist steps, the HD trailering mirrors. It's got your blinker in the mirror. Super clean, non-smoker. $7,900 miles on the vehicle. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated seats. This guy, general sales manager. But again, I just wanted to get out here and help you get a closer look at the exact vehicle that you inquired about. Give me a call and let me know if you're available for tomorrow. 216-926-1290. If you have any additional questions, give me a call. I'm happy to help. Thanks again. Have a great day.